Hey and welcome to my Hostinger email setup video, and in a moment I'm going to show you how you can create however many business emails that you want with your domain attached to it. But before we do that, we need to check where we can get emails. In the business shared hosting plan and premium shared hosting plan, you have free emails. You can create however many you want. But if you opt in for just the cheapest option, you can have one email account, but that may be enough for you. It all depends on your needs. For example, I need several, and I will show you how to create those. So when you have signed up for Hostinger and you have their hosting plan, you just log in to the dashboard. We go to emails. Here you can go to your domain name's email, and we can go down to this area over here. As you can see, I have several emails. Just create a new email account. So we will create one right now together. Let's, for example, create a info@starkexpand.com. I think that will be a good email to have. So we'll just type in info here, like so, info@starkexpand, and click create. It's creating our email, and that's it. So once that's done, it's created a password which is automatically remembers for us, and you just click email. And if you come to the login page for your email and your password is not filled out beforehand already, go back to your H panel, go to the settings, and you will need to click show 3 times for the password to come up. So just do that. Make sure to copy the password, click update, and go back to the login page, paste your password, and log in. Now you're inside, you can save it in your Google Passwords, and you have a fully blown business email ready to go with your freshly made email account. And that's how easy it is to make email. And if you are interested in building out a WordPress website, I have a 10-part free course that you can take down in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Now, do you have any questions regarding Hostinger, email, or websites in general? Ask them in the comments below, and I will make sure to help you out as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.